best I can do. I believe in turn the tide, makes me feel good inside. You push me out, and I'm about to give up. You're on the side, no one seems to listen. And if you go, all the tears will be shown. You bring this heart to and suddenly the madness goes. It's just more your face and lips that miss the sweet little lies staring me and make me say I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you. It's the emptiness in me that changes everything you see when I don't let you breathe me. I know that when you look at me, there's so much that you just don't see. But if you would only take the time, I know in my heart you would find you're a girl. It's always wrong. I can see the hurt in you, feeling all alone. I wanna run to you. Ooh, I wanna run to you. Ooh, I will hold you in my arms and keep you safe from harm. I wanna I used to think that I could not go on, and life was nothing but another song. And now I know the meaning of true love, and leaving all the everlasting on. Then I can do it if I just believe it. There's nothing to it. I believe.
the being strong.
God is another and I've come so very far.
Christian, to be better than the
Try to give my all the best that I can get, so that I can stand tall for as long as I will live. And there's nothing silly out there that could stop me from fulfilling my dreams. I'm a star in a million. I'm the best among the best. I'm a winner and a champion. I'm a star in a million. There's no better I can handle. No test I can prevail. I'm a star in a million. A winner all the way.
Si Sherry mo ba doon? Good evening, everyone!
DK, congratulations! Napaka-successful ng iyong concert. Ang dami nagmamahal sa'yo.
Actually, fans mo lahat yan. Grabe siya. Kaya ako kayo in-invite, mga fans yun.
Hindi, actually, ako naniniwala ako na among all the singing contests, yung Star in a Million yung batch natin yung pinaka nagmarka. Sorry, malapit na kami.
Season 1. Thank you for having us here, Mike. I really miss
That was 3 years ago lang, ha?
Yes.
Tapos sa bata.
Oh,
Hindi
that
ba
was
kung
3 years
itsura
ago.
namin wala naman, di ba?
Uy, kung kayo ganyan ako na
Not as you are. Not at all.
Wala naman. di ba? Sino ba magsasabi? Tatlo na yung anak ni Michelle.
Oh, di
Pero
ba?
nakakaganda.
Napakaganda.
Siya yung pinakabata sa amin, pero siya yung pinakamaraming anak.
Hot na hot ko din. Habulin nila ako. Habulin niyo ako, eh. Mahirap eh. Mahirap.
Ano guys?
Kumusta?
Namiss ko kayo.
Magbubuhay daw tayo.
Namiss ko kayo lahat.
DK, I am so proud of you.
Ang galing dito.
Yes.
Pinapakinggan namin siya sa likod, sa backstage. Buti na lang na una yung Star in a Million, kundi mahirap ang laban.
Oo.
Buti noon pa siya.
Baka ang mangyari pa niyan eh, ano. Si DK ang ano. Mag-champion.
Oo nga, galing. Sobrang
Eric, si Sherin daw.
Ah.
May message siya sa'yo.
Hi, Sherin.
Ayun na.
Nasa face lang.
Hi, Sherin.
Hindi kami close.
Wherever you are.
Hindi kayo, hindi mo na kayo.
Hindi kami close. Alam mo kasi yung close si Sherin?
Sino?
Si
Si Johan!
Ayan, si Johan.
Kasi may secret eh. May secret eh.
Uy, naging girlfriend ni Johan yun.
Di ba nga?
Yan, na-confirm na after 14 years.
Kasi
The best ka kasi.
galing ng Cebu kaya.
Okay. Tsaka the best ka. The
Kaya kami
best.
nagkakaintindihan.
Oo.
May
Pero
explanation.
alam mo ba na may anak na siya nun?
Wala. Kasi nga the best, ano, the best.
The best.
Sinabangan mo kanina yun eh.
Yung the best. Ginawa niyo naman.
I heard it.
Ano din yun? Grabe, daming tao.
Oo.
Yes.
Congratulations,
Hello,
DK.
Hello.
Hi, guys.
Nagmamahal talaga sa'yo. Alam mo, ibang klase talaga yung boses ni DK. Ano?
Yeah.
Very now, eh. Mas magaling ka ngayon. Bali na lang ako na nga yung Star na
Mas lalo magaling ka talaga ngayon, DK.
Oo nga. Parang tayo ko lang naman.
Ano na?
Kasi we were listening sa backstage, like, oh, magaling ni DK ah, magaling ah. Totoo, seriously.
Bakit? Si Eric pa rin nanalo.
Alam ko na, dapat kasi pinunta mo yung I Believe I Can Fly.
Oo nga. Dapat inuna mo.
Hindi, alam mo, DK talaga. Sobra yung boses mo ngayon.
Totoo, totoo. Yun nga yung pinag-uusapan namin kanina. Totoo yan.
Gusto lang.
And again, thank you for
So
having
proud
us
of
here.
you.
Namiss ka namin
So proud
talaga.
of you and
So proud of you.
Thank you for giving
Miss ko
us
kayo.
this chance to
Oo. di ba? I think the last time we were together on stage was siguro mga
2004. 2004. And that was like 13 years ago.
January
Yes, tapos ngayon ulit. Ngayon ulit, pero hindi tayo nag-rehearse.
Nakakaya na sintonado pa ako sa voice ko, hindi ko na panindigan.
Pero ganitong question, ano ang news about Star Million? Meron ba tayong mas scoop or anything about Star Million?
Star na Million. Sige, mag-produce ako ng concert ng Star na Million. Promise ko sa kanila, guys. Kailangan pag nag-produce tayo ng concert ng Star na Million, dapat lahat tayo nag-iwan.
Kumpleto dapat.
Pati si Sherry.
Ano si Sherry? Yes. Kasi po, we've been planning for this concert talagang mga ilang taon na. 14 years na.
14 years.
Grabe, 14 years in the
Kahit
making.
the last time na nagkita tayo, 2015, nagplano din ba?
Nagplano tayo. Kasi whenever we plan for a reunion, hindi po talaga siya natutuloy.
Never.
Pero dapat hindi na yung plan.
The first reunion was 2015.
Yes.
After 2004.
Ay, wala si DK sa akin. Pero thank you again, DK, for having us here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And syempre, like I was saying earlier, well, pasalamat muna ako kay Johan, passionate performer, kay Zalina, the alluring siren, si Michelle San Miguel sa singing sweetheart. At syempre, yung tumalo po sa aming lahat, alam ko hindi joke. Ang tumalo po sa aming lahat at super lupit po at super proud po kami sa
Yes,
champion
so
po namin ng
proud.
Star in a Million, ang nag-iisang Eric Santos po.
And thank you so much to the R&B Heart Rock.
R&B order namin. Thank you, DK. Yes.
Yes, oo. Ang daming naghihintay sa'yo eh. Huwag nila uuwi ka na.
And thank you guys for supporting DK. Thank you sa inyo.
Yes, thank you for being here. Thank you for being here.
Red champion na po, kakanta.
Nakakanta ba ako?
Iwanan ka na namin.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
For a while, turn your world around. Love is here to take your feet off the ground. Smile, your pretty face.